Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy. Dad.
Yes.
You step.
Let me record this. Let me record this. Oh, there's another one. It's got a friend over in the other plant. Those already drying. They drain already. Cause that bee on the other side, she's been there for a while. Along the fly. So this one here in the middle, he's pretty much looking on a dry plant. Everything's already extracted. So he's hanging out the wrong spot. Cause now he gotta go here. Yeah, right here is probably more. But who knows? Now look, there's nothing in all of them because the other bees already took it. And this one here, she still hasn't had enough. She's been on this plant like maybe 5 minutes. And it's crazy because so as she was, you know, extracting all the juice from these plants, for a minute it's like she froze. I thought she was dying or something because she didn't move. But then after a while, it's like she got back and bam, there she is again. So it's pretty strange. I think she was just like recovering or putting everything, like maybe compressing the honey that is extracting, and managed to reduce the amount into a smaller amount. And now it's like she has more space on the back right there. You see that brown stuff? It's really crazy. She regenerated. And there's the buddy, the other one. It's crazy, huh? How everything survives on everything, different things. So the fly, you see, you guys, fly is not dirty. I mean, that's not all it does. It also collects honey, and who knows? So amazing how everything just comes out of like different things. Because flies come from people, from meat. Like it's already, we make it happen. We have the right recipe for it. So as the body rots, then you got things growing out of our bodies. And that's the only way they would exist. That's the only way they will reproduce. Rotting meat. So you got the maggots, and then you got the flies. And it's so crazy. So I'm sharing with you guys this. It's not National Geographic. It's Armando's Discovery channel. So this is what we have for the day. And keep you guys updated if anything else happens with this bee or the fly. That's it's nowhere near where people would think they would be. So right now she's walking into dangerous territory. There's a possibility it's a spider somewhere over here, as you guys can appreciate the web, and she is not gonna make it out of that. So Let me follow this fly. Let me see. Where did you go? They say I shouldn't change things, but I would definitely save this fly. Just because I cannot see anything getting hurt. It's not in me. So, where's this foe? I'm trying to see this foe. Oh, there it is. Look. So there it is. Well, everybody has their own house now, different places. So that's the spider there. I can't really figure out what she's doing because I move a lot. I don't know why. Maybe I should try my right hand. Sure enough, it's a little bit more stable. So there it is. Probably come back to this one. It does show that it's a little bit bigger than what it really is, but that's because I was doing some zooming. And here we go with the fly and the bee again. And hey, we all do different things to survive, but we are not any different than every living organism, you know. And we gotta take in consideration that these animals fear, they love, they you know, they do the same things we do, just in a different way. Different way, but the same way. It's amazing.